Welcome back, Griddle, Cook, Eat, and more. Today we're going to do us a cheeseburger, but a chili cheeseburger. We're going to do it like Tommy's does. Well, kind of. Not an exact chili recipe, but similar to Tommy's. Basically, I'm going to say it's a Tommy's and LA inspired cheeseburger. I had some chili sauce that I made up for doing some chili dogs. So I got some leftover sauce and I got some cheese sauce and a couple items here. So you know what? It sounded perfect to me. Never been to Tommy's, so I was wanted to, so I need to take a trip out to LA and check that out. But however, we're going to make my own little rendition here. So let's check out what we're going to work with. All right, so we got two little hamburger pucks there. We're going to smash them, but we're not going to do a full paper smash. We're going to smash them down, but make them kind of like patty style. And then I used a 1/3 cup, so those usually come out about 2.5 ounces roughly a piece. Got me a little brioche bun. Got some chopped white onion we're going to put on there. Got some Blues Hog all-purpose seasoning, a couple slices of American cheese. And we go over to my griddle. We got some cheese sauce on here, and then my homemade chili sauce for chili dogs. Keep them warm. All right, so let's get this rocking. Let's get our burgers down. Like I said, we're going to do a smash, but not a full smash. So we're just going to kind of go straight down. Kind of like that. There we go. Get a little all-purpose on them. All right, gonna let them bad boys cook up. Hope you can see me through that steam off them beautiful burgers cooking there. But we're gonna get these bad boys cooked up here and build us a burger. Real simple, easy cook. All right, we're looking good. Juices are bubbling through, so we're ready for a flip. And then I have a non-seasoned Vivor, and I just cleaned it, so it's super sticky. So we want to get a good scrape on it, just like that. Keep that crust, lost a little bit of it, but it's all right. There we go, perfect. All right, super fast cook here. We're going to get some cheese on there. Going to slice American on each. Start letting that get melted down a little bit before we pull them. And let's toast up our bun a little bit. So let's move one patty over here. It's right there. Get a little toast on the brioche. It's going to be stacked up here. All right, let's get this thing built. All right, here we go. We're gonna get our bottom bun. We're gonna put some onions down. Just like that. Let's get our patties on. Let's get some chili. Good thick chili right here, perfect to put on top of a burger. And now we're going to hit it up with this beautiful cheddar cheese sauce. We want that to run down a little bit here. There we go. Got to make it messy, you know. All right. Get our top bun on. There you go. Let's get some pictures of this bad boy. And then we're going to dig in. Alrighty, here we go. Let's give this thing a try. Man, look at this mess. Look at that mess right there. That's what we're talking about. Here we go. The Tommy's inspired double cheese. Oh, hell yeah. Never had a Tommy's. I'm sure a Tommy's is good, but man, I think this would definitely meet right up there with a Tommy's cheeseburger, if not better. I'm telling you what. This thing is freaking delicious. Wow. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Let's get another bite of that thing. To be 100% honest, I don't know if I've ever had a chili cheeseburger. I'm assuming I have somewhere at some point, not very often, or maybe once, twice in my life. I can't remember, to be honest. But I do remember watching some videos, a couple years ago. Caught one there, he went to Tommy's, and man, it looks so good. And then at work, one of my coworkers is from LA, so we were talking about it, which made me think about this after I made some of this chili sauce for some chili dogs. I'm like, man, that's gonna be perfect on a burger. I got some left over, some cheese sauce, so there it is. But anyways, freaking delicious, I'm telling you what. But that's it for this video. This is my dinner, so I need to finish this burger up and enjoy. But until next time, I'm out.